What is up, YouTube connoisseurs? I got a fresh pair of Lowheat that I copped in store because that's the world we're living in now. It's a great time to be alive. What did I cop? I copped the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in Phantom, Malachite, and Hyper Royal. This is a GR Nike SB Dunk release, and I got them from the good people over at ValSurf in the Valley. For retail, skate shop in the Valley. Shout out ValSurf. They put up a post on their Instagram story saying first come first serve, these are available. I didn't see it for an hour later. I didn't get there until an hour after they posted this and was still able to cop a pair. So times of this sign of the times we're living in, you know, whether it's just, you know, the hype on dunks, sneakers has come down, or maybe just people aren't feeling these pairs. I don't think that's true. I think people are feeling these pairs. I think it's more a sign of just the the economy in general, the sneaker economy. Can't flip these for some quick tendies. So like, yeah, they were actually available when I got there, copped in my size. We'll get into sizing, but I go half size up. I'm usually 11.5 on dunks just because these aren't going to be like an everyday pair for me. You know, you can go true to size if you're going to wear them a ton. They'll break in and they'll be fine. But since I will wear these, you know, once in a while, I just want them kind of already fitting nicely. And SB Dunks have more cushioning, if you know, you already know, but more cushioning. And so they're just a little tighter around your foot. All right, let's see these bad boys. Before I do, plug for the channel, please subscribe. It's free. It's the freest subscription you get these days. Costs nothing. Takes 1 second. Boom. Subscribe. You're done. Already signed up, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Likes, comment, all the things. All right, let's see these. You got your classic SB box. Didn't come in this white box that the Raisa Layels came in. Came in the classic purple box. You got your wood grain paper. And damn. Spoiler alert, I did peek these really quick. I took a quick photo in front of the shop. So I got a quick glimpse of these, but didn't really inspect them much. Is that a quality QC control sticker on there? What is that? I don't know. But man, these are beautiful. I don't know if like others, like you notice on like older SBs, they have that kind of curved shape to them. I feel like I haven't noticed that as much on newer pairs these days in the last couple years, but this definitely has that kind of like curved outsole. Wow. I'm kind of speechless. Like this is, to me, one of the best GRs to come out. It is a subjective thing. Like this is the color, you know, this is all based on me, based on the colors, the color blocking, and gum sole, and this nice smooth suede combined with the mesh. So it's definitely a personal preference, but like to me, for me, this is the best Nike SB GR, Dunk Low GR that I can remember in recent memory. For me, my favorite. This is my favorite. Again, that's not an objective statement. This is a subjective statement. Feel free. There's good comments plug right there. Let me know in the comments what you think, or what's your favorite GR SB Dunk Low release. I really like the ACG pack they came out with a few years ago, or was that 2 years ago? I like that. Those colors, you know, this beats those colors for me, but I really liked the concept of the pack. The ACG inspired colors. Let's see here. Let's bring out the other pair. SBs have been including a Nike SB sticker as of late. I think that's dope. That's cool. Okay, so you do get an extra set of laces, which is nice. As you know, if you skate, you do go through laces. I kind of like that Phantom Malachite. I think this is the Phantom colorway, the midsole here. And I think the Malachite's actually this. It's kind of a stone, light stone colorway. I think that's the upper here, the upper suede. Show these to the lady. She pointed out this nice little detail. I might have like missed I wouldn't have missed it, but it might not have commented on it. I like the green thread piping along the midsole to attach the midsole to the upper. Nice little touch right there to matches the green. I like that. Kind of almost looks like, you know, reminds you of little baseball stitching vibes, maybe, you know, golf apparel. I just, yeah, it's a nice little detail that she pointed out that I was like, oh yeah, that is dope. But yeah, let's go over quick. I'll point out, keep this video quick, but on the outsole, you got the green badge to match the stitching there, and the green swoosh there. You have the malachite upper, and then on the top of the toe box and the mid panel there, and on the heel you got this nice blue hyper royal, they're calling it hyper royal blue, green stitching on the heel tab, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro there on the top, nylon woven tongue pad. Got green laces. I really like the green. I like that color, but I think I'm going to keep in the white. You know, I like my white shoes, and that's super clean. Super clean. Let me know, though, if you're switching them up. If you cop these, if you're switching them up and putting in the green, would like to know. You got the Air Zoom insole, green insole. Per usual, you have the elastic straps holding the tongue in place. And yeah, super clean shoe. Real quick, I just copped as you saw, the Haisa Leals. Very similar. I mean, a little bit more details to these, and these have a story behind them, but I'd love to know your guys' opinion. In a vacuum, I like these better. Just like the colors, etc. better. But this has a lot more details. Obviously, there's a story behind it attached to a pro skater, a pro female skater out of Brazil. Young female pro skater, has just, you know, cool little details, an ode to kind of her first skate shoes. So in a way, this has a lot more going on, a lot more intricacies to it. But as far as, again, just in a vacuum, I think I prefer these. Would love to know your guys' thoughts on these. Again, very similar, gum bottoms. This is a little bit more dull gum than the Haisas. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think between the two. I don't need both. I probably should get rid of, again, I like these less. Probably should like sell these. I'll just get my money back. I won't be able to really make anything. These aren't going for a ton. Because I don't need all that many shoes, and they are very similar, but I like them both. I do like them both. So, you know, good chance I end up keeping both, even though I don't need to. Let's put these on. As I put these on, I'll talk about pricing and what to do if you want them. These are dropping around skate shops, not a sneakers drop as of yet. These are dropping at skate shops all around the country or all around the world right now. So keep your eyes out for your local skate shop, support them. Again, you should have a decent shot at getting these. This is not like 3 years ago where just these would be scooped up by bots or people, long lines, high resale prices. These are going for a little above retail. I think, you know, if you get them from like StockX, for example, you should be able to get them all in under 200. These 115 retail, you know, plus taxes, you know, you're talking, I paid 125. If you're doing shipping, you know, you might get up to 140. So if you're able to get these sub 200 from like StockX and you really love them, you know, you're paying more than that in Jordans and some other shoes. So, you know, Dunks are, you know, air quotes, affordable these days. I wouldn't, these might come down a little bit, but at that price, you know, what do you know, how much more do you want them to come down? Like, it's already, I think if you really, really want them, go ahead, pull the trigger. Maybe in a week or so, 2 weeks, once everyone gets their pairs and the people who like have buyer's remorse want to like flip them and they realize they can't really flip them, they start unloading them. Maybe that's always a good time, is like, I feel like a week after release, 2 weeks after release, I think that's usually like kind of one of the low spots, unless they're really gonna brick. And I don't think these are. I think most people like me think this is a clean colorway and are gonna want these for the toe. So let's take these off. Let's take off the most underrated shoe of 2023, in my opinion. I love these, and I do not know how these are basically under retail. It's a great shoe. Check out my unboxing video. All right. these on. Oh yeah, that sick. Great on foot. This is a great spring and summer shoe. Love it. I mean, it's a great all year round shoe. It's a great winter shoe, even fall. Yeah. I mean, look at that. Not too like, I love shoes like this that are a little bit flashy because they're white, contrasted with a hyper royal blue, but not too flashy. Can still wear this with a million different outfits and styles of clothes. I'm wearing my Hawkins Phys Ed Nike Stranger Things sweatpants, some purple Supreme socks, and I think this is a good fit. Yeah, I love these. I think this is my favorite GR, SB Dunk Lows. SB Dunk Lows that are GRs, I think that I own. I really like the all white leather pair that they keep dropping. It's just kind of a perennial release. It's just always going to be stocked. I really like those, but these are more unique. Obviously no real story behind them, but I think this might be, yeah, favorite that I can think of, really. I don't think these get a 9 out of 10 because there's nothing super special about the materials or nothing super special about the materials or the story or background story on these, but I think they're close. I really like the suede. If you're a skater, or just in general, these are going to get dirty. If you're a skater, this is for sure going to get dirty, but you know, it is what it is. A super, super clean shoe. I think, you know, let's go 8.75 on these. I almost want to give these a 9. I like the colorway so much. I don't think it's quite a 9 though. We're gonna go 8.75 on these. Hell, 8.9. We're gonna go 8.9 out of 10 on these. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Good luck trying to copy these. I think you should have a fairly good chance if you're in a big city local skate shop. If you really want them, if you're quick on the draw for the raffles or first come first serve drop, and if you miss out on them, they're not taxing too much. So best of luck. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.